Hello my dear children, how are you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine. So children, day before yesterday you have received a video which was related to lesson number 4, subject science. Today we are going to start with social studies, lesson number 4, clothes we wear. Okay, all the second class student, take out your same term reader, that is term 1 and page number 134, lesson number 4, clothes we wear. So as a heading itself says that this lesson teaches us about the types of clothes we wear during different seasons, during festival season, or during different occasions. We have different types of clothes, right? If you go to school you have uniform, if you go to office you have different type of uniform, after returning to the home again you have different type of uniform, right? And during summer season, winter season, rainy season, you have different types of clothes, right? So this lesson is all about the clothes we wear. So let us start with the reading. Yeah, page number 134. We all wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dirt and dust. Clothes are of three kinds based on fibers: cotton, woolen and synthetic. So we all wear clothes, right? You cannot find even a single person who is not wearing a clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Because clothes protect us from sun, from heat, from rain, from cold and from dust also, right? अगर हम क्लोथ्स नहीं पहनेंगे सो जो एटमॉस्फेयर हमारा है उस एटमॉस्फेयर की वजह से इजीली हमारी बॉडी डैमेज हो सकती है. सो दैट्स द रीजन वी विल वेयर क्लोथ्स. सो क्लोथ्स आर ऑफ थ्री काइंड्स, डिपेंड्स ऑन द फाइबर. फाइबर इज नथिंग बट जो कपड़ा रहता है. सो बेस्ड ऑन द फाइबर, बेस्ड ऑन उसका कपड़ा, वी हैव थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स, दैट इज कॉटन क्लॉथ, वुलन क्लॉथ एंड सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ. So now let us see what does a cotton cloth means, what does a woolen cloth means, and what does synthetic clothes means. Cotton is spun into long thread. Threads are woven together to make cloth. Then the cloth is dyed and printed. So cotton is spun. It's like this. You can see over here. So you get cotton from cotton plant. So पहला वो ऐसे रहता है. It will be a ball-like structure. Then again this ball-like structure will be made into a thread with the help of charkha. You can see over here it will be made into a thread with the help of charkha, and again they make a process with the help of spinning. Then again that thread will be made into a cloth with the help of weaving machine. This is called as what? Weaving. So with the help of this weaving machine the thread is being converted into what? Into cloth. फिर उसके बाद अगर उसी क्लॉथ को कोई कलर करना है, प्रिंटेड क्लॉथ निकालने हैं या डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉथ्स बनाने हैं, तो वही क्लॉथ को आफ्टर वीविंग प्रोसेस दे विल व्हाट? दे विल कलर इट और दे विल प्रिंट इट. सो व्हाइट कलर का कॉटन कपड़े यू कैन गेट, इवन कॉटन के जो कपड़े होते हैं वो आपको दूसरे कलर्स में भी मिलते हैं विद अ प्रिंटेड वन ऑल्सो. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज हाउ द कॉटन क्लॉथ्स आर मेड. फर्स्ट द कॉटन विल एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम वेयर? फ्रॉम कॉटन प्लांट. फिर कॉटन प्लांट से हम चरखे पे यूज करते हैं और चरखे से उससे तागा बनाते हैं. तागा बनाने के बाद हम उस तागे को वीविंग प्रोसेस में उससे कपड़ा बनाते हैं. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स विल कलर दैट क्लॉथ. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? वुलन. वूल इज sheep's hair. Sheep's hair is shed or cut off by machines. It is spun and woven to make cloth. So again woolen will get from where? We'll get woolen from wool, from the sheep. Okay, तो क्या करते हैं ये लोग? जो sheep होती है वो sheep के hairs को कट कर देते हैं. So that hair जब वो shear या cut off हो जाते हैं again the same उसको spun बना देते हैं. spun के बाद weaving process में उस woolen के thread को, woolen के तागे को कपड़े में convert करते हैं. Then again after that they'll color it to get a colorful woolen clothes. You can see a picture over here. ये जो वुलन है, पहला वो लोग शीप से पूरे विलन को कट कर रहे हैं. ओके, उनकी जो बाल है, उनकी जो हेयर है, वो शीप के हेयर निकाल के देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स दे मेक इट इनटू अ वीविंग प्रोसेस. वीविंग प्रोसेस में उसको अच्छे से धोएंगे ताकि जो कलर या कोई डर्ट है वुलन का वो सारा निकल जाए. देन आफ्टरवर्ड ओके दे गिव अ कलर, डाई एंड देन you can wear it as a form of sweaters and many other woolen clothes. Is it clear children? Next turn your page. Woolen cloth is also dyed. Some woolen is knitted into sweater and jerseys. Cotton and wool are natural fibers. Okay. So woolen clothes afterward, as I told you, उसको dye करते हैं. Dye करने के बाद you can use it as a form of sweaters also. So some woolen clothes is also very useful. जो हमें wool का जो तागे रहते हैं उससे वो you can see your grandparents are converting the woolen threads into a sweaters and jerseys, right? So now you can use that woolen clothes for sweaters also. So cotton और woolen जो है वो natural है because हमें naturally वो मिलते हैं from a plant and from a animal. Coming back to the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Nylon, terylene, polyester are synthetic fiber. Terylene and cotton are woven together to make terrycot. Cashmere is synthetic wool. China silk is synthetic silk. Okay. So now what they are saying, now synthetic fiber जो है वो man-made fiber है. कैसा? क्योंकि वो कॉटन के अंदर कुछ और फाइबर को ऐड करके सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ बनाते हैं. So there are different types of synthetic cloth like nylon, terylene and polyester. These are different types of synthetic cloth. So what happens? terylene का जो कपड़ा है या थ्रेड है उसे कॉटन के साथ मिला के उसे टेरिकोट बनाते हैं. So there are different types of synthetic cloth like cashmere is also synthetic wool. China silk जो है is a synthetic silk. Okay, so there are different types of synthetic cloths. एक क्लॉथ को दूसरे क्लॉथ में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद you'll get what synthetic का कपड़ा आपको मिल जाएगा. So clothes are of three kinds based on the use: protective, uniform and decorative. Clothes protect us against extremes of weather. So again clothes are of three types. First of all, the clothes thread are of three types. One is the cotton one, the woolen one and the synthetic one. अब जो clothes हम लोग पहनते हैं वो भी three types के होते हैं. First is the protective clothes which protect us from the harmful rays, from the dust, right? Next is what? Uniform. When we are going to school, when we are going to offices, we have a special uniform. Police वाले जो होते हैं वो लोग की special uniform होती है, right? उनका police dress रहता है. Doctors का एक special uniform होता है, right? So they have uniform. And other is one decorative. Whenever you are having festivals or any party is there or any function is there, okay, you have a decorative kind of clothes. So again the clothes are been divided into three types. So for today this much is enough. In our next session we will learn clothes which is related to the season. Summer season, winter season, rainy season में हम कैसे type के clothes पहनते हैं. Okay, we will learn that in our next class. And what more we will learn? Yeah. So we will learn the different types of clothes. We are gonna learn about uniforms, decorative clothes की uniforms कैसे होते हैं, decorative clothes कैसे होते हैं, right? Rainy season के clothes कैसे होते हैं. So we will learn this thing in our next session. For today, this much is enough. And what is your duty now? You need to read the lesson and then watch my video so that it helps you to understand it properly. Okay, children, we'll meet soon again. Till then, goodbye and take care.